So first step involved in the soil preparation is the plowing step. Now what is plowing? The process of loosening and turning of the soil is known as tilling or the plowing method. Both names are the same, only two names are there for the one method. That the process of loosening and turning of the soil to make the soil particle loose, that is known as plowing or tilling process. This can be done by using a plow. With the help of plow we can use this process. The process of plowing is important because now what is the importance of plowing process? Why plowing is done? Plowing is done with the help of the tool known as plow. This is the plowing, you can see the image. Now what is this? What is plow share? What is plow shaft? That we will discuss now. The plowing is importance is that it help to trap the air in the soil. By this air get trap up in the soil. As air get trap up in the soil, then the process of the plowing will result in the good agriculture step. Because we know that if the air can go inside the soil very deeply, then only the roots can penetrate easily and can grow healthily. Allow the roots to grow deeper. Help the soil to retain the moisture for longer duration. It will retain the moisture, means it can retain the water content for the longer time. Help in mixing the nutrient rich soil with the top soil. What will happen? All the nutrients will get mixed up with the top layer of the soil and help to remove the unwanted plants that are known as weeds. What are weeds? Weeds are the harmful unwanted plants that are grow along with the crop. So the plow and other tools used for the large scale production of the crops are known as agriculture implements. What are agriculture implements? Agriculture implements are the various kind of the tools which help for the large scale production of crops. Is it clear that how plowing is done with the help of the plow?